Hart Home Comfort service team is experts in a variety of different heating and cooling equipment. We have a multi-layered service team where we have customers who are able to get expert installations, and we make sure that our technicians are going to school and trained in the most modern and up-to-date products available. I know the dedication of my family, and I know the dedication of our team. And especially this winter when it was cold and it was snowy, we were able to be there and provide service that was reliable to customers.
In those 50 some odd years of working, this was the worst winter that I've ever experienced. We managed to pull off all our installs, all our service calls. So the techs showed up when they need, above and beyond when they were needed. And that's very important because without the techs, you can't fulfill your duties. So pretty proud of it. So
we were able to answer the phone and say, we will be there. We were able to get our oil trucks on the road with drivers who wanted to get out and help customers and make deliveries. And the service techs, they wanted to get into their vans and make sure that everybody had heat. So those sorts of things, the motivation of my team and what my family has built is what makes me want to get here every single day.